Today is Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. It is also day 204 of Blender. And today I'm just going to do a quick liquid simulation. So I'll go to General. I'll delete the cube by pressing X, then Shift A, Mesh, and add a UV sphere. And just do G and then Z to bring that upward a bit. And then I'll just do Object and Quick Effects, and then click on Quick Liquid. And that's just going to set up my domain for me. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to Physics Properties, make sure it's Domain, click on this, make sure that, well, that could be there, like flow. All right, I'm just going to do GZ, put that in there, Control A, apply the scale, and then I'll do Shift A, Mesh UV Sphere again, bring that one down, and then go to Fluid and have that be the effector, which is what's going to be affected by the liquid sim. If I click on play now, interesting. So let me go and give this a surface thickness of 0.5. Let me go into the domain, physics properties, make sure I click on mesh, and then replay is resumable, and then go back to keyframe 0, and then play that again. There we go. And now you can see that it's like being affected, right? It's like around, or at least it started going around the UV sphere. If I were to look at that in material preview, I'll be able to see that there. I could change it to be any color actually, so I could change it to be blue if I want, kind of like an unnatural blue, right? And yep, that's the water for you. If I were to just save this real quick, that would be great. So I'll do 83022, save Blender file, and then go to render preview. I'll do Shift A mesh. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Shift A mesh plane, S to scale, right? And then edit mode, edge select the back edge, E to extrude, Z to extrude along the Z axis, and then object mode, modifier, add a bevel, and that's just going to make this look like a backdrop once I increase the amounts and the segments. And then I apply that, right click shade smooth, and then do S and then Y to scale that along the Y axis, which is the green axis. And then I could also add a color here. So maybe I could do black, or I could do like yellow, green, any color that I want. I'm not sure which color I do want though. Maybe this could be cute. All right, just bring that down a bit. So it's like at the bottom here. All right, and this is kind of what's happening. So the fluid simulation is going like below this. So I'll probably do GZ to have this a little bit higher. And then just go to the domain and bake that again. To see the domain again, just go back to keyframe 0, select that, and then let's see, I would go into physics properties and just do it again. Just go to replay and then play again, and I'll be able to see it do that, right? And the reason that it's very low, it's probably because the light is weird. So I'll go to object data properties, turn it into a sun, change the strength to 4, and then I'll go into render properties, render properties, and change the engine to cycles, and then I'll be able to see the liquidy formation here. All right, and then let me just bring this up a bit and to the right a bit. All right, and yeah, and now to hide this, I could hide this. Let me just press H here and hide it from render preview by clicking the little camera on the outliner, and then let me just click on the backdrop, S and then Y to scale along the Y axis, and then S and then X to scale along the X axis. Oh, that is too much. Escape, and just do Control Alt Numpad 0. I'm able to see like a lot of the simulation here. I could just bring the backdrop like really upwards and then just go more upwards myself. All right, and yep, all right, that's it for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna render one image, honestly. I'm not gonna render the whole thing. I'll probably render anything in between. So it kind of starts at the beginning. And it has all that stuff here. So maybe I'll render this view. I'll do Control Alt and I'll just do Control S to save and then render image. And that's literally all I'm gonna do today. I'm trying to get things done today. Yep, that's some weird stuff. Anyway, it's not done rendering, but I'm not even gonna wait for it to be done because I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.